everyone. Today I want to talk to you about the water quality at our beloved Kim Kim River. Kim Kim River is located at Pasir Gudang, an industrial town in the district of Johor Bahru, Johor. It plays a crucial role in our ecosystem and the well-being of our community. It is a home for animals and plants and a source for people who rely on it for drinking water, agriculture, and recreational activities. Unfortunately, the Kim Kim River has been facing some challenges such as being polluted by the industrial waste, which is a major cause of the contamination of the river. This issue poses a threat to the delicate balance of the ecosystem and can have adverse effects on our health and environment.
Toxic industrial chemicals can pollute the environment and be damaging to human health, particularly in vulnerable groups such as children, the elderly, and pregnant women. Reactive, inedible, corrosive, and poisonous properties are the key threats of industrial harmful compounds. Methane, hydrogen chloride, ethylonitrile, ethylene, benzene, xylene, and methane mercaptan were the several substances connected to this event in Kim Kim River. Toxic industrial main way that these compounds are exposed is through inhalation, and the main system include headaches, nausea, vomiting, eye irritation, and wheezing. There are many chemical processes occurring in Kim Kim River which interact with water chemistry and sediment. The chemical process occur in water chemistry such as eutrophication and acidification. The main way that example, hydrogen chloride is used in food processing and fertilizer. When hydrogen chloride meets water, it produces hydrochloric acid. Kim Kim River pollution from hydrochloric acid can occur in the form of eutrophication, acidification, and corrosion. Hydrochloric acid has the ability to damage metal parts and river infrastructure, for it may cause harmful metal to be released into the water that endangers aquatic life and human health. Moreover, the river can become acidic due to hydrochloric acid. Toxic metals from sediment are also leached into water by acidification. Due to excessive hydrochloric acid, eutrophication may occur.
Now we will move to the other interaction, which is interaction between sediment and contaminant in Sungai Kim Kim. Sediment act as the lifeblood of aquatic ecosystem, providing crucial substrates, nutrients, and support for diverse array of aquatic life. They function as catalysts in environmental food cycle and contributes significantly to the dynamic of water quality. Heavy metal and organic pollutant can intricately bind to the sediments, leading to attraction in its composition. This interaction has far-reaching implications, potentially impacting the delicate balance of the entire aquatic ecosystem. Sediment from Sungai Kim Kim were carefully collected using stainless steel Ekman degree sampler. Contaminants ranging from metals to organics undergo the process of adsorption, binding to the sediment surface in water. This complex phenomenon is influenced by various factors such as pollutant type, sediment properties, pH, temperatures, and dissolved substance. The presence of benzene, toluene, xylene, and ethylbenzene in Sungai Kim Kim sediment is alarming. These pollutants are notorious for their high absorption affinity to organic matter, further complicating the environmental scenario. Contaminant once bound can detach from the sediment particles due to the dynamic factor like water flow, pH change, and microbial activity. This desorption process significantly affects the toxicity, persistence, mobility, and bioavailability of this contaminant in water. In light of these complexities, monitoring becomes paramount. It is crucial to assessing the environmental impact and formulating effective strategies for remediation. The stakes are high, with significant implications for both ecological integrity and human health in the Kim Kim River. As a conclusion, the dynamic interplay of adsorption and desorption process shapes the fate and the transport of contaminant in Sungai Kim Kim. Our responsibility lies in the continuous monitoring and rigorous management of pollutant sources and safeguard the well-being of the Kim Kim River and diverse life it sustains.
Bioremediation is an effective and eco-friendly method. It utilizes the inherent abilities of microorganisms, plants, or their enzyme to break down or convert pollutants into substances that are less harmful. Wetland plants have roots that serve as attachment surface for microorganisms, capable of metabolizing contaminants, and these plants can absorb and accumulate specific pollutants, thereby effectively reducing the concentration in the water. Bioremediation also a targeted and cost-effective solution. And to ensure the optimal restoration at water quality in the Kim Kim River, it may be necessary to regularly monitor and make adjustment to bioremediation strategy.
Other treatment method that can be used is chemical precipitation. Chemical precipitation is a chemical process that converts dissolved ions into insoluble particles in order to remove them from a solution. This method displays a high level of effectiveness in the removal of heavy metals, phosphate, and other targeted contaminants that occur in aqueous solution as dissolved or colloidal particles. This method helps to remove the heavy metals in Kim Kim River due to industrial operation. Utilized precipitation agents such as lime and alum will interact with the specific pollutant and create insoluble particles which then will be filtered. There are some pros to this method, which is the first one, cost effective. Chemical precipitation is frequently less expensive than other methods of ion removal and water treatment. The reagents needed are typically cheap, and the procedure itself can be rather simple and straightforward. The second one is selective precipitation. We will be able to precipitate specific ion while leaving others in solution by carefully controlling variables such as temperature, pH, and reagent concentration. This selectivity is beneficial in refining operation or when targeting certain pollutants. Last but not least, compatibility with other treatment methods. This method can be used together with other treatment such as coagulation or filtration to improve overall efficiency in water treatment or purification operation.
The contribution of Kim Kim River is as a water supply, biodiversity and recreation, and tourism. Meanwhile, for the implication of the water quality issues at the Kim Kim River are environmental impact, health concerns, and economic consequences. So, to wrap it up, we learned about the importance of water quality at Kim Kim River and the impact it has on the ecosystem and our community. We have discussed the chemical processes and the need for treatment and improvement. But remember, we have the power to make the difference by raising awareness, advocating for better practices, and working together. We can protect and restore the water quality at Kim Kim River.